Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today I want to show you how you can change a PDF into a Word document that you can then edit. I'm going to show two different ways that you can do this, one on your PC and then also on your mobile device. All right, let's jump on the PC first and see how we could do this. Here I am on my PC and I have a PDF file that I would like to convert into a Word document so I can edit it. It's extremely easy to do, and when I show you, you'll probably laugh at how easy it is. We're going to use the app Microsoft Word to do the conversion. You guessed it. Let's open up Microsoft Word. Once you have Microsoft Word open, you'll land on the Start page. To convert your PDF into a Word document, it's extremely easy. You simply select your PDF file and then drag and drop it on Microsoft Word. Once you drag and drop it over, you'll see a message telling you that it'll now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. That's exactly what we want to do. There is one caveat that it calls out. If your PDF has lots of images and pictures in it, it might not look exactly like the PDF looked, but if it's pretty text heavy, it'll be an almost identical conversion. If you're going to be converting files a lot, you can set it so you don't see this message again by checking this box. Otherwise, if you're ready to go, let's click on OK to see how this turns out. Here it is. My PDF has now been converted into a Word document. It brought the image in and it brought all of the text in. The great thing now is I can go in and I can edit any of this text. So let's say, for instance, I want to insert my name there, and it looks like a pretty good conversion overall. There are a few things that were missed though. For instance, the bullets weren't maintained. Here it inserted an X, but overall it did a pretty good job, and you can now edit your Word document. Along with dragging and dropping a PDF into Microsoft Word, if you're already in Word and you're no longer on the Start page, you can go up to the File menu in the top left-hand corner. You can then click on Open and then navigate to where you have your PDF file. I just clicked on Browse and I have my file here on the desktop. Next, I'll click on Open. Here too, this will also open the PDF file and then you can edit it in Microsoft Word. Next, I want to show you how you can convert a PDF into a Word document on your phone. If for whatever reason the previous technique did not work, you can use your phone as well. Today, I'm using an iPhone, but this will work on either an Android phone or on an iPhone. First off, we need to get the Microsoft Office app. On an iPhone, I'm going to click into the App Store. If you're on an Android phone, click into the Play Store. Next, let's go down and click on Search. This opens up the search field, and right up in the search field, type in Microsoft Office. Once you finish typing in Microsoft Office, let's click on Search. You'll see a whole bunch of results. Let's click on the one that says Microsoft Office. If you don't yet have it, click on Install or Get. In my case, I already have the app installed, so I'm going to click on Open. This opens up the Office app, and by default, we land on the home view. To open your PDF, you can click on this file icon in the top right-hand corner and you can navigate to where you have your PDF file saved. You might have it in OneDrive, SharePoint. You could also open it from your phone. Wherever the file is, you can navigate to it. In fact, you could even add other storage accounts down below. You could bring in PDF files from OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and the list goes on and on. You could bring in your PDF file pretty much from anywhere. Back on the home screen, I've now navigated down to my PDF file. This is the same exact file that I had on the desktop. Here too, I'm going to click on this PDF file. When I click on the PDF, this opens it on my iPhone, and I can now see all the details of this file. I want to convert this into a Word document. How do we do that? Well, up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see an ellipses. Let's click on the ellipses. Within the submenu that appears, there's the option to convert this to Word. Let's click on this. This now converts my file, and just like before, I can now click into it and I can start editing the text directly in this. So this has now converted my PDF into a Word document. Just like on the desktop, it's a pretty good conversion. There are some slight issues just like before. For instance, the bullet points get turned into X's, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Once you make your edits or once you make changes to this, it's now a Word document and you can share it with others. Up here, you can click on the share button and you could email this, you could attach it, you could send it wherever you want, but your PDF is now a Word document. All right, well, that was a quick look at how you can convert a PDF file into a Word document and then you can edit it. Who would have thought that you could just do it directly in Microsoft Word? If for whatever reason Microsoft Word didn't work for you, you also have the mobile Office app that you can also use, and that's entirely free to download and use. If you found this video helpful and you now know how to convert a PDF into Word, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a note down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.